What's up, everybody? Welcome back to yet another edition of As Told by Bree. If you are new here, I'm sure you're looking for balcony inspo, patio inspo, or just inspiration for your outdoor space. So listen, look no further. I got you guys covered. I am here to share my journey decorating my balcony with you guys and also show you guys the space all together. We have 140 square feet of absolute goodness. So I don't know about y'all, but I'm excited. So if you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the balcony tour. This is my balcony. I absolutely love it. So yes, let's start on this side of the balcony. So if you can see, my balcony is pretty much broken up into two little rooms, if you would. So the living room, this is not a living room. I don't know why I'm calling this a living room. But we have the couch area here, and the couch is from Amazon. It's super comfy, I must say. And please, y'all, don't mind me if there's pollen on my balcony. I did my best to try to get all the pollen off that I could. It is the middle of the spring, and my balcony was literally infested with pollen. So I did what I could. The couch is from Amazon. I can definitely link that for you guys down below. And to our left and our right, we have these bamboo trees from IKEA. So I went to IKEA and I really wanted the palm trees, but they didn't have the palm trees. They only had the bamboo trees. So I had to get the bamboo trees. I was like, no, I'm not going back to IKEA. I'm tired of coming here. I'm going to get what they have and keep it moving. So, in addition to that, we have this table here, super cute. That is also from Amazon. Then we have some wine glasses and a little wine just to add a little classy aesthetic. We have this table that came along with these two chairs, and I absolutely love. Also from Amazon, the two chairs came as a set along with this table. So, chairs are from Amazon. Table is from Amazon. Blanket is from Amazon. So Amazon literally has all the at-home stuff. Everything you need for your outdoor furniture is on Amazon. And then here we have our lanterns. I thought these were so cute when I saw them. These are actually from at home. So these candles, LED candles and lanterns are from at home. These two bamboo trees are from IKEA, and everything else is from Amazon. So for future reference, 90% of the stuff is from Amazon. And then moving along. Oh, let's get into the flooring, baby. Let's get into the flooring. So the flooring is from IKEA. You can grab these tiles. They're very easy to put together. They just click together and you are good to go. And then up here, we're pulling around to the bar area now. So this is like the second part of my balcony, and it is the bar. So we have two bar stools. The entire bar set is from Amazon. So I ordered this bar. This is actually one of the first things that you saw me set up in one of my vlogs. And then also came with these two bar stools. The only thing I wish is that these were a different color. I wish they were more of a either dark gray or a black, but I can always replace the cushions. That's nothing. So I have two of these. And then on our bar, we have a really nice decanter set, which I picked up from Goodwill a couple years ago, years ago. I don't use it. It's really just for decoration. Like, this isn't even real alcohol. That is Coca-Cola. And then these cups came along with it. I don't use those either. They're just for decorations. The coasters are from Ross. We have a bottle of Douce. And this Douce has been through so much, y'all. It started off in my old apartment. It was gray. I don't know if you guys remember that. But it was gray in my old apartment. And now I have spray painted it black to match the aesthetic on my bar area. So here we have our bar kit. So it comes with a shaker. It comes with like a strainer, a mixing spoon, a few things, a jigger. And then I have this wine opener. This is my friend's brand, Les Vines. So definitely check her out. And then we have this Patron book that I got from my good girl, Erica. Hey, Erica, if you ever watch this, girl, hey. And it just shows you different Patrons and different recipes that you can come up with the Patrons. So it's cute. I mean, I don't really drink Patron. I do like tequila, but definitely a Casamigos girl. But I must say, I have had this. I had this when I was in the Bahamas. So stinking good. It is so good. Definitely recommend the cafe. Alrighty. But yes, in a nutshell, that, ladies and gentlemen, is the bar. And this is the balcony. I absolutely love it, y'all. Like, I don't give myself enough credit sometimes, but honestly, it's pretty much picture perfect. Like, I don't give myself enough credit a lot of times, but I must say, I did that. I really love it. It's super cozy. It looks very good, if you ask me. And it's almost the summertime, baby, so we about to start having some functions. But yeah, I want to show you guys the view at night, so let's get to it. Okay, y'all. I'm done for today. I just can't. It's too much. It's too complicated. I gotta bring in a friend. For this. This is a 2-person project. Not one, especially not me, because I get lazy, and so I'm gonna have to bring in a friend. I walked out here this morning and I was like, what is all this stuff on my floor? It's all over my bar. It's all over my furniture. Y'all, there's so much pollen out here. Oh my God, it's actually kind of disgusting how much pollen there is. Like, I'm gonna show y'all my bar to show y'all like how much pollen there is. Like, this is my bar. Like, look at this. This is gross. It's everywhere. This is all pollen. This is disgusting. Oh my goodness gracious. It was on the floors. Like, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's literally everywhere. One thing I've noticed about myself is that I like to people watch. Like, sometimes I'll just stand out here and look out and see people doing what they do. The other night there was a car accident right here. That was crazy. It was like a 3-car accident. We watching people over there, seeing who's with who. But yeah, I'm loving my balcony. It's coming together. Yeah, so stay tuned, y'all. But yeah, spring is here and the pollen is here right along with it. So here we go.